My name is Ubang Cham. This is my model of system thinking presentation. This is the preview of my model of thinking system. And my presentation is about Gambela mining, gold mining, and the impact of the environments to the environments. And I will start my presentation with a brief Gambela background, go to Ethiopian Bank report, compare the traditional and modern machine use, and how mining chemical damage the environment and chemical effect to food supply and chemical side effect to human life and what can be done to model system thinking and recommendation. Gambela background. Gambela locating in Ethiopia and border with South Sudan. Uh, there are three big rivers: Openo, Gilo, Akobo, rich of natural resources, and the land is very good for agriculture, very nice for agricultural and social and economic infrastructures for which is education, transportation, healthcare. Those are not really good. It's very poor, and uh, uh, this is a 1 year gold mining gold report. Ethiopia National Bank report 160 kilograms pure gold that worth about over 50 millions just a 1 year production. As a result, the modern machine it used for more modern machine used for mining, and this is a traditional gold mining and for over 60 years now. It in my area, people using it to make gold mining with a low skill that is very nice and it would not damage environments. And in use in a low skill, no chemical use, no deep large oil. I myself use this methods. I love gold minings and I love gold itself. It does not affect the river flow. It does not contaminate the river drinking water, and no air pollutions. It is good for environmental. This is how the modern gold mining machine impact the environments. First, they did not care. They just dumped the chemical direct to the river and mercuries and then this thing and genocide is another danger chemical use in gold mining. Pollute the rivers, Akobo River. Modern machine dry up the rivers. How mercury exposed to the environment. Mercury exposed to the environment in two ways. One, a chemical as in I listen in the above that can expose direct to environment. Second, the gold that from underground, from the earth rock sediments that can release mercury into the air that can escape to the water body, just as rivers, lake, and ocean and other water body and environmental. And all this, what will happen after the mining chemical contaminate the environmental system? When the chemical contaminate environmental system, it will affect the food supply, which is cause, in fact, which is cause the problem to anyone on the earth. There's this chemical itself, like mercury's environmental system, where the river, lake, air, which is other soils. This is can impact the food supply. It can contaminate fish, drinking water, mushroom, or anything we cultivate. Most thing we cultivating to the soil because soil contaminate, and also can affect human like birth defects and organ damage, and also it what what will happen when human exposed to mercury and other chemicals. When the chemical exposed to the people, to the person, that mercury effects, the mercury effect on people would be disruption, the nervous system, which is, it can be the unborn and born, damage the brain functions, and DNA damage in a chromosomal. Allergic reaction can cause allergic reaction and cause negative reproductive effects, damage mean, cause the birth damage, the birth defects and miscarriage, cause kidney damage, the degradations of a learning disability, and and deafness, can cause deafness, could cause people not to hear, and can cause normal human muscles, uh, muscular incoordination, and can cause memory loss. And also, what can we do to change the model system and relocating mining to remote area, build the damage to avoid the chemical drain into the rivers, and now restrict the lesson, avoid gold mining near rivers in any water body, and and cover the holes. That means if you dig the hole and put it back, make it as it was before, make the earth as it was before, and allow the do not allow the underage to, and clean up the environments, and clean up the river, plant a lot of trees. Tree can help, and lastly, clean environment sustainability is essential to all living things. This is my system thinking models. So I hope you will learn a little bit. And also the citation here is to look at it, the background, what going on here. And this is uh, the the citation that I would recommend to verify the source of this information is coming from. So I hope I cover most thing, and then I will appreciate it for your time, and thank you. This is Wang Chao.